my newer way, or my newest way of clearing a bed of arugula, with just a halo hoe and a rake. Here we go. I've already done this side. So basically what I'm doing is just following down the path of my precision seeder with my stirrup hoe here. You can very easily just pill it up one row at a time. I'm finding that to be the easiest way because I don't like to bend over that much when I have to do this task. That's kind of the easiest way that I'm finding to do it manually, letting the tools do a lot more of the work. Yeah, I find that to be the easiest way. Also, by doing this, I'm leaving more compost behind as opposed to recomposting more of my own compost, right? I always do my best to leave my field on my field, so I don't want to output one of my inputs. You're gonna lose some. Oh shit, sprinklers are all fast. Dude, I really have got to do a product review on that beehive, man. That thing is awesome. One row used to take me about an hour. Even if this were to take me a little bit longer, which I don't think it is, it would still be worth it to me. Yeah, this has been a lot easier way to clear a bed. I'll try to show you right now. I don't have a head cam piece, so maybe that's something I gotta get. Check it out, check. This is what I'm going for. If you watch my other videos, it's kind of the same technique, but now I'm really just using this thing all the way down the bed, right? So I'm not even bending over anymore to harvest even the larger pieces, which is really nice. Oh, another key thing is you want to keep this thing sharp. You want to make sure that you have a file on hand at all times to sharpen these guys up. I want the stirrup, that part there, to go just inside of that the base down here of the arugula. You see the line? All you moms out here, always, or parents out here, whenever you had to like do your daughter's hair, it reminds me of that kind of splitting, that hairline, man. Gotta make them braids tight. I was more of a pigtail man myself. The braids, couldn't do them. Check it. You try to get that thing right in between there, and then you pull that. I'm not standing up, I'm doing this from my knee, so it's a little bit hard. I don't really have the leverage. But anyhow, you pull that, and you only stay on one row. That's the key point. You only stay on one row. People often say Aquariuses were all over the place. Yes, this is very true. So this is kind of hard for me to do, but by staying focused on that one task, I'm finding it to be much easier to finish the whole task. Seeing that it has to get done anyway, it's less work on my body, and it's not. I don't think it doesn't feel as though it's taking me any more time. It might actually be faster. I haven't timed it, but I'm liking the end product too, so it's really cool. Now, some of you guys probably already do something like this, but for me, I'm always trying to discover new ways to preserve my body. So yeah, you definitely need a precision seeder to do this. Something you definitely want to get anyway. Earthways, dude, mad cheap. I think they're like 100 something bucks. I got mine, dude, when I first started, probably like 4 years ago, and I've used it damn near every single week. So it's a very good investment. Also, keeping a straight line, very important. Something that can be kind of challenging at times, but nevertheless, do your very best. Oh, brand new soils. This technique is very hard to accomplish on a brand new soil. I was trying to do it out front, where that's my first time actually clearing a bed. Well, for that particular row out there. And anyway, it was way too soft. That doesn't work. These beds back here have been cleared way more, so they've kind of settled in, and it's easy for them to get settled in, even though we put, you know, a substantial amount of compost on them. And that being said too, even their first clearing is a little bit more of a challenge to do this technique as well. Dude, I really wish I had a head cam. This junk is coming up so, just little things, y'all. Another thing is I'm keeping the stirrup is on the ground. I'm not lifting it up at all, right? I'm almost going back and forth, but not quite. I'm just really just dragging it along that line. So the reason why this is kind of important to me is because I've had back surgery. L5S1 stand up, what? I just know a lot of people out there have had the same. So I have actually aluminum cages in my back, my lower part of my back. But you know, I do a lot of stretching and a lot of just different workouts so that I can prolong my back. as of late, I've been noticing this kind of activities are kind of starting to wear on me a little bit more, so I'm definitely utilizing my tools. I feel a lot better than when I was actually bending over and doing it or going down to my knees. I'm a little taller. If you're a little shorter, I'm about 6'1", so if you're a little shorter than I am, it might be easier for you to get on your knees. The straddle might not be that good for you, and that's something that you definitely want to do. It's all about trying to keep your spine as straight as possible. I know I'm not doing a great job at it yet, but I will get better. This is like a new technique for me. Anyway, if you guys have any techniques that might help or help somebody out, please leave them down in the comments below. Yeah, you just never know, man. You can really be helping somebody. Farmers ain't getting any younger, brother. You know what I'm saying? So let's help each other.